think it has started. Let's hope it has. So where were we? Let's start the project and see how long I've come. Since my last video. Yep. Okay. So now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and add some more names to it and see if it scrolls. It's converted to scroll. Yeah, I think that's something I need to check. So if I just go to the contacts, then I think I should have like personal contacts here. Yeah. So just copy these. Let's paste them like 3 times, and then we have to change the IDs because I think we're giving the keys here as ID, and if we have same keys then it would like it might cause some rendering issues. So yeah, let's do that. That's 5, 6, no, 7, and then that's 8, that's 9, okay, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That should be enough to check. If it just, oh, I think it did update in fact. Okay, see, we don't want that. We do not want that. We want this to be scrollable, just in case it overflows. Now how do we do that? I think it all comes to the contacts part here. So here I have like tabs content. Let's see, personal. Okay, and what's the height that I've given to the personal thing? There is no height, and that's why, yeah. So let's no, not here. Let's do overflow scroll. Then no, then height full should be it, but no, it's still not working. I think my parent component has height full, so this has to have that height full, this div. Yeah, let's do h full here because its parent has a height it in fact has a definite height. See, 95%. So if so if I have contacts that's a child of this thing, then it should have the height. It should be able to process that overflow, right? But you know what, I think instead of doing it here, should be able to provide the overflow property to the contact itself. If it's possible. So if it goes overflow would be scroll, and then yeah, so that's good. Perfect. All right. Then okay, so that's out of way, because now here if I add some groups, since this property is to the contacts, it would apply to all the um, all the children, so we don't have to worry about overflow anymore, at least for the contacts. Okay, let's now create a, I think what I should do here is create a div here, which would consist all the messages, and then okay, and for every new message we want it to scroll down to the, okay, how do I want to approach that now? Okay, you know what, let's first create a div which actually has some chats in it, but since, and how is our chat gonna look like? Individual chat, it should have some things, right? So for example, I have chat header. See, now this chat header will be updated based on where we click here. So here for now we don't have it. Okay, so if I click on John Doe, John Doe should appear here. That's one thing. And then the other thing is the chat should appear here. For now, let's say we have some temporary chats, but how are we gonna store the chats in our database, or wherever we are gonna store them? How do you want to structure them? That's an important thing, because that will basically decide what I have here. But okay, you know what, for each chat I should be able to at least provide two properties, a sender and a receiver, right? So if, yeah, that should work. And if the sender is the current user, then the chat will show up on the right hand side, and if it's not, it will show up on the left hand side. Yeah, let's do that. So actual, what do you want to call here? Chat window or something? I don't know, I'm pretty bad with names. Okay, and the chat window should be here. Okay, let's do this. Chat window. So yeah, let's tell the chat window thing. I should be able to give it the proper height, because now if I give it width full, height full, and let's say bg then 50, then I just want to see, I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that. So instead of just giving see, my chats now should have maximum height, shouldn't it? Should not go over 95%. And if the chat doesn't go over 95%, then how does this chat window is going over 95% over the available width? That's the question here. Okay, for now, you know what? Let's do one thing. Let's not even put this in the equation for now. Right? Yeah, that's cool. That's good. It works. That's all we need. Yeah. Then okay, do we see anything? Yeah, there's a problem here. We'll address it later though. If if you can see, if I hover over it, yeah, there's a problem there. If I want to show you, for the personal and hover, let's do 200. See, for each one, it's not taking up the whole space. We want it to take the whole space. It won't because of the separator, will it? Oh. So why? Okay. Do I have a top margin? I should not have top margin anywhere here. Although let's see. I don't think so. Okay, that's fine. I can tackle that problem later. For now, I'll just keep it. Keep the background color for Howard to be like slate 100 or something, 200 or something, because I need to be able to see that there's something wrong here. Otherwise, it's possible I won't even notice. So now, for the chat window, that's the biggest problem I have faced until now, is to give height. How much to height give to each element, because it's not easy to work with like certain heights, for each device it changes. But if I'm to give the height in percentage, I think it should be okay. We'll see. So 70%, I don't know, need more, maybe 80%. That's what I fear. It's like 90%. Yeah, that would be around 89%, and that should be it. Yeah, that's what I fear the most, is like if I just go now to the inspect, right, and then try this. Okay, we have completely made it hidden, so there's nothing here. We don't even want this, we just want this. It taking the whole place, right? And that's why I hate working with CSS. It's not fun. I used to work with Material UI, and it's just so easy. Anyways, so for the chat window, let's add some chats. Let's for now I'll just create a const with some chats be equal to the ID1 sender. We have have to send sender ID. So let's say that would be 2. Receiver would be 3. Message hello, and then yeah, should be enough. Okay, we haven't used it, that's why TypeScript is going berserk. We don't care. Okay, again the same thing. We're gonna show everything for now here. Okay, yeah, for this conversation only, but here we'll do 3 2 hello, how are you? Let's say it was 5 minutes ago. This was again 5 minutes ago. I am good. How are you? That was like 4 minutes ago. Chillin'. Let's say that's 4 minutes ago. But I have to change the sender and receiver here. Honestly, I'm not gonna edit everything here. So okay. And the IDs also, yeah. So each chat will have different ID. And fine. Okay. Let's do one more. 6. Sender to be 2. Receiver to be 3. And then message would be bye. And then timestamp would be 1 minute ago. Alright? Okay. So and for now let's I'm gonna do one thing, just const const user. So for here I want user to be a number which is equal to 2. Okay, and now I'll go no, the hell. Okay, let's go one by one. We'll map through the chats, and for each chat, why do I have div here? Let's close this shit up. Yeah, should be good. Now for each chat, we are gonna return a div or maybe a chat message. Yeah. Chat message dot tsx ifce, and then what are the chat key? We want chat and user. Chat to be no way. Okay, for now any chat dot message. If we have chat, that is. I think I did something wrong here. Let's do chat comma number. Do we chat any number? Yeah. I think I'm new with TypeScript, so I don't have any idea what I'm doing here. It's not a number, it's again user. Perfect. Let's see. Alright, what's wrong here? Oh, I think I did not import chat message there. In chat window I should be able to import. And if I just go here, refresh the whole thing. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Hello.
Now for each chat message I should be able to decide where it's placed, right? Yeah. So let's, you know what, let's give it a class name first. Let's give it a width of, and I actually don't want it to give a lot of width, you know, maybe max width 2xl. Let's do PG. I always do a background color no. just to see if I'm doing everything right and everything is like the styling is just the way I want it to be. So here, right, and for each chat message it will have a margin Y of 2, margin X of 5, maybe not 5. I don't think I will need margin X. Yeah, margin Y of 2 is enough. No, that's a maximum width, isn't it, for each chat message? But why are they all okay? Let's try this. It does it get shorter? Let's say I want it small. Yeah, it does. But I want it to be maximum width, not the width. And the minimum width, let's say it should be 12, and then 16. Oh shit. Let's put a really big message here. And yeah, it works, but not exactly how I want it to. Anyways, I think 3/4 or something. Does it work? No, it does not. I don't understand this now. Now this is perfect. This is perfect. But the problem here is the maximum width. Ah. Why does it cover the whole thing upon giving maximum width? The max. Doesn't make any sense. And this is good. This is good. But if I put max width to be SM, it's okay if it gives the maximum width of this element cause it exceeds the maximum width, but not to this one. Why does it give maximum width to that? If I had to think about it, because I do want to give it a background of, let's say, blue of some kind, right? Maybe let's go with our colors. So maybe black, right? And then text white. Yeah. No, it doesn't look good, does it? Doesn't. But what can I do though? Nothing. Anyways, we'll see about that. But what I have to do is, see, it's a max width. It's not width. Come on. Maybe. Yeah. So, okay. Got it. Okay, I see how it works now. Makes sense. Alright, let's position them based on the user, right? What? Okay. Now, if so what I want to do, if chat.sender is user ml auto or ml auto, yeah, it works. It works. I don't know how, but it works. Yeah. Cool. So, okay, now I have to get the timestamps and then do that shit. So now I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna do one thing. I'm gonna add an input text, the input thing, and then maybe I'll make the chats stateful, right? Yeah, I think that's the right approach. Here, so I have chat messages. Okay, so my chat window has a lot of chat messages, and after that it has another div. Oh, let's just put the input field now. So as you already know, I'm using the Sharsian. It's like one of the best UI libraries I've used in recent times. So the button, and if I just go to the components here, I should be able to see the input component here. Yep. Alright. Okay. And what I want is input with a, yeah, this is what I want with button. Just go here. So do I have an input component here? I should have input component. Yep, I do, and I have button component as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy this, and oh no, not everything, but just this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna copy these imports and put them here. If I just go here, okay, nice. That's good. Good. Now what if I make it chat window? Let's go down. Let's collapse this first. Yeah. What if I make it flex call and justify between, right? Nah, and then of course yeah, and then a class name of widthful. Get to, and then maybe actually, you know what, I need some more pb, and then pt can be yep. Is there any way I can make it bordered? Input default was near. No. Picture disable with label, button, font. That's it. So I should be able to put input there now. Placeholder will be don't say. Type would be text. Type is submit and send. Hey, how's it going? If I send it, it should then so that's how this chats. initial chats, right? And then let me import usestate. That's the final thing I'm gonna do now from React. And if I just use const chats, set chats to be initial chats, and then const handle send, we will have a message string to const new chat would be equal to id, right? Then sender would be the user, right? Receiver would be 3, message would be a message, and for now timestamp, we don't care about timestamp for now, but yeah, we'll make a new chat and then we will set chats, but it's always considered good to make replicas, so the new chats equal to the old chats and then a new chat and then set chats to be new chats, and this is considered a good practice. Submit. Is it a part of form? No, but submit. Does it work though? I don't think so. Let's do on click. Oh, if I put message here, okay, you know what, this value should be a single chat or message, right, which in turn should be a state, and on change we can set the target to that and just call handle send. What? We don't need a message here. Sorry about that. Handle send, and this should be fine. Nice. It works. And then once it's done, we'll set the message to be empty. Okay, what's up? And then this is empty. No errors, nothing. Looks good. Good enough. let's do one thing for chat message. Same logic. We should use for background as well. Feel like. How do I want to do that? Oh yeah. Why even do that? BG. Let's do this. And then yes, that's good for now at least. I guess that's it.